Check out this C5 here at Unique Specialty and Classics, and it's a desirable one. The 50th anniversary Chevrolet Corvette convertible. Anniversary red, shale interior. Best part about this, 2-owner car, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles, just a little over 15,800 miles on this particular car. Let's go ahead and take a look at this front fascia. As you can see, paint shows well on it. You might find a maybe real small, God, I don't know if I can get them to stand out, a little spot where maybe you've had a touch up here or there, but you can see that paint has a nice reflection, good shine in it. Of course, that 5.7 liter V8 underneath the hood, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. It's paired up in 6-speed manual transmission in this one. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. You can check out all the still pictures. You'll be able to see the underside, the interior, the engine bay, trunk, storage compartment where the top goes. You'll be able to see the pictures of the top up, top down. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us. Once again, that number is 507-386-1726. Here's that shale leather anniversary interior, of course, the 50th anniversary. It has a nice set of the aftermarket floor mats in here. It will come with the 50th anniversary ones. I'll put those back in the trunk where I found them. Also has a trunk mat, 50th anniversary trunk mat. Top is shale in color also in nice shape. At the end of this video, I'm going to put that up so you can check it out. But again, the still pictures will have pictures of the car with the top up and the top down. Another thing to remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. You can see the chrome wheels. In the glove box, there's an owner's manual. You'll also be able to see a picture of the RPO codes if you want to see exactly how this is equipped. If you notice in the interior, it also will have the selective ride control. So selective magnetic ride control. Let's take a look up and down this driver's side. It's what you'd expect with this kind of miles on it. Get in, turn the key, have some fun, and go. Take your time looking through the still pictures. Look at the underside, engine bay, interior. UniqueClassicCars.com. Of course, your modern amenities, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. It does have the memory seating, Bose stereo system, electronic dual climate control, power seats both sides. And take a look at the seats. Not much wear at all. Get on the bolster. Definitely reflects the miles. Let's put it that way. Heads up display, driver's information center. And again, that 6-speed manual transmission. There's your exact miles, 15,858. No check engine lights, service engine soon, anything like that. Heads up display, see it working there, and that is adjustable. If you want to turn it completely off, you can. Dim it down, raise it up, lower it. Top of the dash, all looks good. Car is definitely stored indoors. No fading, sun-baked, anything like that in the interior of the dash. I haven't really noticed any modifications either, except for the fact that the floor mats were in the trunk with some aftermarket ones in there, which again are very nice. Let you take a listen. Sounds as it should. I'm going to pause this 1 second. Let's get this hood open, check out that engine bay. Then we'll put the top up, and we'll wrap this video up. There's the hood popped. 5.7 liter. Tried and true GM engine. Nice and clean and tidy. Good looking engine bay. Nothing out of the ordinary. It's like an optimal red top battery over here. Sounds good, as it should. All right, I'm going to close this up, shut it down, and we'll take a look at that top. One thing real quick, almost forgot, probably want to see this or someone's asked about it, about the headlights. Working as they should. All right, now let's shut it down, get that top up and wrap this video up. And here's the top up to take a look at. Nice fit of the windshield. Again, shale, cloth or canvas fabric. What it would have been produced with back in '03. Rear glass window, rear defogger. No rips, tears, holes. Really not much wear at all. What you'd expect with a car with a little over 15,000 miles on it. And again, 2-owner clean Carfax. So there's the top. And again, they're manual. One person can put them up from the driver's side of the car and shoot less than a minute. So very easy convertibles to deal with. 2003 Chevrolet Corvette convertible, 50th anniversary. Nice low mile example. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we have a 2003 Chevrolet Corvette, 50th anniversary edition. This is a 6-speed manual. As you can see, it is winter in Minnesota, but the roads are primarily dry, and we do wash our vehicles, so we can do these driving videos for you. Our temperature gauge is right around 195, oil PSI is at 40, battery is charging at about 14, and the fuel tank is full. This car feels really good. It's very much like new. Only 15,000 miles, give or take a few. Let's get her up to speed. Can throw it in that 6th gear just for some miles per gallon. This car is very comfortable. Feels like new to me. Nice and straight down the road. No vibrations. No wheel jiggles. Got a good stereo. Just a nice performance car. This is a convertible. I'm not getting hardly any wind noise, even though it is cold out in Minnesota today. Definitely want to check this car out at uniqueclassiccars.com or come check it out in our showroom.